it's messy. Stay out of the puddles. 3 of my 4 wheels have protection. When I'm not driving my car, I often find myself thinking about driving it. Like all of you car enthusiasts out there, I surround myself with tokens of the driving experience, like t-shirts and hats, coffee mugs, and occasional keychain. And when it comes to gifts, being a car enthusiast makes you much easier to shop for. This video isn't going to be a Mustang lover's buyer's guide. Rather, it's an eclectic collection of car-related products that have coincidentally come across my desktop recently. It's up to you whether you want to whip out your credit card or lock it away, because we're going on a little ride together. And just like that, we are in the studio. Like I said, this isn't going to be a Mustang buyer's guide. Rather, I saw a whole bunch of products in a row which were just very, very amusing, and they were car related, so I wanted to share them with you. Now, this all started because I heard a rumor that Mattel was making Hot Wheels in a 2019 GT convertible in ruby red, and I really wanted to get that car. So I went online looking for it. I haven't found it, but I did find a couple of kind of cool things. So if there's any Hot Wheels fans out there, take a look at this. This is Hot Wheels Collectors. It's hotwheelscollectors.mattel.com, and on this website, they don't sell anything as of right now, or at least if they do, I couldn't figure out how to buy anything. But you can do a search on pretty much any type of car, and they have a pretty good selection. It's a nice database of the Hot Wheel cars that match what you're searching for. So for instance, if I wanted to take a look at this 2015 Mustang GT convertible, you can zoom in on it, and they have a few different views. Pretty slick. So that's hotwheelscollectors.mattel.com, and if you feel like spending some time, stop on in. See if it's got a car that suits your fancy. Well, like I said, I was looking for specifically the 2019 Mustang GT convertible in ruby red. Didn't find it, but let me show you something else that I found, because this is pretty insane. And when I say insane, I'm talking the level of detail in this car set. Now, this is a 2-car collector set. There's a 1/18th scale and a 1/64th scale car in here, and this is based on the 2017 Mustang 5.0 GT ruby red metallic with silver stripes, and this is a limited edition. It cost $123. It's limited to 1,002 pieces, but you have to check out the detail. And let me get to my favorite. I mean, that's looking pretty nice. Okay, let's go look under the hood. I mean, take a look at this. They've got the strut brace. They've got the coolant reservoir. They've got the Coyote engine with the 5.0. I mean, they just did a beautiful job. Of course, I wish that it had hood struts. It's got the prop rod, but that's okay. We're just going to let them go on the prop rod. But take a look at this. This interior just blows me away. They've got the manual transmission, nicely done. Now remember, for 2017, I don't think we had that digital dash, but it's a nice looking display. Even down to the door sills. They've got the Mustang GT door sills in here, just like my car, with the slight difference, and I think they got the colors perfect. They just knocked it out of the park. It looks to me like you're looking in an actual car. Now, I'm not a car collector or a toy collector, but it was just fun looking at these things. You know, looking at some of these things, it brings out the inner kid in you. And I guess this is my category right here, 8 to 12 and up, way up. All right, what's next? Now, this is something I actually have and I quite enjoy, and I just wanted to mention it real quick. This is the complete book of Ford Mustang, every model since 1964 and a half, and this is a 2015 book. So Mrs. Fyxdt got this for me for the holidays, and I've been thoroughly enjoying it. So the only thing I can tell you about it, well, a couple of things. One is it's brilliantly written. It's not just a bunch of pictures, but the text is very well constructed, and I really like the author. The author is Mike Mueller. He has a really nice tone to writing, and he's obviously a car enthusiast. The other thing that I have to warn you is I do like to read sort of as I'm going to bed, and this is a big, heavy book. And I have dozed and actually hit myself with this book a couple of times. So from me to you, if you're going to read at night, please just be careful. It is a heavy book. So with that said, if you're interested in some of these things where applicable, I'll put an Amazon link down in the description below. What's next on the list? Well, let's talk authentic Ford. This is the FordShowParts.com website. Now, this is sort of an offshoot of the Ford Performance Group. This was kind of interesting. Let me zoom in on this a little bit for you. I didn't know this, but you can get the actual window sticker for your car. If you send them a VIN and your car is between 2007 and 2019, you give them the VIN and they will send you a brand new official Ford, Lincoln, or Mercury window sticker. So, I don't know, I thought that's pretty cool. Now, I do have the window sticker from my car, but we pulled it off and we kind of folded it and stuck it somewhere. I imagine if you have a nice car, if you're showing that car, you might want to have the brand new window sticker. Or if you just want a copy of this, or if you know somebody that might like to have a copy, this would be a fun sort of thing to get for somebody. If you can get that VIN, give it to them as a gift. It's kind of cool to see what the original sticker looked like, especially if maybe you weren't the first person to have the car. Well, this is a way that you can have the original sticker. Now, there's a couple of other cool things on this site. Let me kind of click through here. You can get a 2018 Shelby GT350R poster, but this really amused me. This is a Ford GT350 brake, rotor, and caliper business card holder. Check this thing out. It's like a little novelty something. But you could sit it on your desk and you can put your business cards right in there, and it's got this removable rotor. So if you want to sport that nice drilled rotor and advertise the fact that you are a GT350 fan, and you have business cards and you have a place to put out your business cards, this might be the perfect item for you. You found it right here. That's FordShowParts.com. Okay, the next thing on my list isn't, I don't think it's available, but I'm going to show it to you anyway because I found it on an official Ford site, and that site is the official site for the new 2020 Mustang GT500. Now, I believe Ford listens to the owners who are making videos, because I have heard more than once, more than several times, people have criticized or commented that the side mirrors on the Mustang are just a bit small. Now, even before I heard anyone else comment that, I also felt that they were a little bit small just driving in my car. All right, but you kind of get used to it. Ford, thanks for listening. In the 2020 Mustang Shelby GT500, if you configure it a certain way, using the configurator on the website, check this out. When we change view, there it is, the dual side mirror option. It's a little hard to see on that angle. There you go. The Ford dual side mirror option, it gives this nice, intimidating, louvered look to the front. It doubles the amount of space so you can see behind you, see all the people that you're passing. I think it's a fantastic option, and I'm really glad that Ford listened, and I think it's going to be a valued addition, and I hope to see this feature come down to all of the Mustang lines. Okay, it was hard to keep a straight face for that one. Obviously, this is just a snafu in the configurator, but I don't know. I just wanted to share that because, frankly, I think that looks kind of cool. Okay, next. This is just crazy. So here it is. Costco wholesale, the 1965 Shelby Mustang car pool table. 1965 Shelby Mustang car pool table. That is hard to even say. This thing is just crazy. Look at this. This features a 1965 Shelby GT350 body styling. It is $11,000, delivered and installed. It has a professional slate top, real rims, tires, working lights. It is a full-size 4x8 pool table. I mean, come on. What Mustang owner doesn't want one of these? I mean, all right, that looks kind of funny with the short wheelbase. And I don't recommend running a staggered set of wheels because all of the pool balls will probably go down towards the front. But if you are a Mustang enthusiast, and obviously she is, look at that smile. If you're a Mustang enthusiast and you are looking, look at that, it's lit up. The lights are on. I love this. So if you're a Mustang enthusiast and you are looking for the ultimate thing that you can put in your game room to say you're a Mustang enthusiast, this is it. And not only that, but it actually has a rating. It has a 5-star rating. It has one rating. Elizabeth, a year ago, writes, I purchased this item a couple of months ago, and I just wanted to say, I love the item. It is very fun and absolutely amazing with a whole bunch of exclamation points. Yes, I recommend this product. Elizabeth, thank you so much for that insight. Well, there you have it, a quick, lighthearted video of some Mustang-related products that I found amusing, and I hope you found amusing as well. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. My name is Mike. The channel is Mike Fixed It. As I said earlier, I am the owner of a 2019 Mustang GT convertible. I can't wait for it to get warm so I could get back out there and be making some driving videos, do some more work on the car, and hopefully share that experience of Mustang ownership with you, my loyal audience. Until next time, be good, be well, be safe, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. I fixed it. And just like that, we are in the studio. Hey, thanks for joining me down here. So here's the story. What is the story? And written with an enthusiasm that is just refreshing and really wakes you up if you're a car enthusiast. It's a well-written book. I'm babbling. I'm going to do one more. And this spring again, I don't know if you know, but I've been shopping for a spoiler for the back of my car. I'm thinking about going with a spoiler. The problem I'm having is that they don't make them for the convertibles. There's a lot of nice spoilers out there, and they just don't fit the convertible. And I'm just going to stop talking because this is boring. That's it.